All right, the pool project. I think we were kind of just like, what's the craziest, most different thing we could do, right?
Yeah, and we've got a history.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back to block days.
We go way back. And I wanted your aesthetic. I love your style, and I love that fluid way of doing things how you do things. I don't know how you do them, but I needed you in our pool.
Totally. And I think we both hadn't really seen it done before, right? Like we were like, man, this could be.
Yeah, I mean, there's a
cool
little bit of
unique.
inspo. I haven't seen it done really well.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
So, and then I'm looking at an all black house, which is quite monochromatic, and I want colour in my house somewhere. And this is like a really original way to put colour in.
Wow, so good, man. I think it turned out awesome.
I can't wait to fill it with water.
Let's get some water.
I'm seeing in 3D. My vision is complete because